Welcome back to the channel. A dash cam that packs power, clarity, and protection into one compact system. The ROVE R2-4K DUAL dash cam, featuring both front and rear cameras. Whether you're documenting your road trips, protecting yourself from insurance scams, or upgrading your daily driving experience, this dual-channel setup brings premium performance without the premium price. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. ROVE R2-4K DUAL dash cam offers dual-channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera records at 3840x2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures 1920x1080p at 30 fps footage, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. Super night vision. Equipped with a Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor for the front camera, this dash cam delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the front camera's f1.5 aperture and the rear camera's f1.8 aperture allow more light to enter the lens, resulting in brighter and clearer recordings, particularly in low-light environments. Ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi. With its built-in dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can use the ROVE Dashcam app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the ROVE app, download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone at a speed of up to 20 megabytes per second and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. CR camera with GPS. The new front and rear dashcam comes with built-in GPS, which enables you to view real-time live speed and compass on the 3-inch IPS wide camera screen. It records precise driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly on the video. State-of-the-art technology. Experience peace of mind with this front and rear car dashcam. It comes with a free 128GB microSD card and offers advanced features such as an f1.5 aperture, motion detection, G-sensor, seamless loop recording, emergency video lock, screen saver, live speed and compass direction, voice guidance, ring of threads for optional CPL filter. So that's the ROVE R2-4K DUAL dash cam. Powerful video quality, reliable dual coverage, and smart features designed to keep you protected every mile of the way. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.